Identity construction was a mess for these guys. And it really, I think, was sad, because now we're a little better. We understand that Jim Parsons is not just Sheldon. He's now on Broadway in The Boys in the Band. He did Act of God, which toured here in California. We understand he's an actor. He can play other parts, right? Now, because there was this idea that they weren't very important and then that they disappeared, I like to show how culturally connected they were. It is proven in a memo from Gene Roddenberry that when Star Trek went for the second season and they're going to have Walter Koenig play Chekov, he wrote, "I need him to have a haircut that matches that guy on the Monkees, because that's what girls want right now." And they literally planned that his character should be connecting with the girls who like the Monkees. And Star Trek, obviously, is culturally kind of important, a little bit. Of course, back in the day, they were part of commercials, because everybody was part of commercials. If you go to YouTube, you'll see their Nerf ball commercial. They have a Schick razor commercial. They did everything. But this was at the end of the show often, right?